Alam mo ba na you can find Asia's famous pink mosque sa Kuala Lumpur? We booked the Putrajaya tour with boat ride from KL and super worth it. First, we had some photo ops sa Seriwawasan Bridge with the pink mosque at the background. Next, we cruised around Putrajaya Lake. In fairness, ang lamig sa loob pero I went up the deck for a better view of the stunning structures. We saw the Iron Mosque, made of 70% steel. It's a modern symbol of Islamic architecture. Then, the Millennium Monument, a pencil-shaped tower built to welcome Malaysia into the new millennium. And finally, the Seri Gamilang Bridge, a European-style landmark built as the ceremonial gateway to Putrajaya's Convention Center. Screenshot mo rin pala to for extra savings on your bookings. After the cruise, we went to the highlight of the tour, the Pink Mosque, also known as Putra Mosque. It was built as Putrajaya's main place of worship, designed with rose-tinted granite so it would stand out against the blue lake and sky. First, you need to wear a robe before entering, which they provide naman for free at the entrance. Tapos need mo din iwanan yung shoes mo.
Kailangan pala i-cover yung head.
Ang ganda! Lalo na pagpasok mo sa loob. Afterwards, we got some pictures outside the Pink Mosque. You can also see the Green Dome Perdana Putra, which is the Prime Minister's office. Then, we drove to the Putrajaya International Convention Center. Tapos, nag-take din kami ng photo sa bridge at PICC on the backdrop. That's our trip! Like and follow for more travel videos!